check. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I just wanted to introduce you to the bike ride and our great MC for today. Her name is Tess Perez, and she is an actress most recognized for her role as Dana Thomas on NBC's hit drama Grimm, as well as the role of Eve Porter on the season of ABC Family Switched at Birth. As a comedy writer, her viral videos on YouTube have been featured on Jezebel, BuzzFeed, Slate, The Wrap, Angry Asian Man, and the Onion AV Club. She was profiled by Glamour magazine last fall about her life as an Asian American actress in Hollywood. She performs at the Upright Citizens Brigade Theater here in LA, and you can follow her on Twitter at Tess Paris for more. Please welcome Tess Paris.
Good morning, riders!
Morning.
Who's ready to go? Make some noise! Yeah! I can see that you're all ready to go. We're ready to have a fun and safe ride today?
Yes.
Hey, for those of you guys who are tweeting, you've been seeing this all over. You're seeing hashtag Firecracker LA, am I right? So for those of you who are on the Twitter, please hashtag Firecracker LA with all your awesome photos throughout the day. We'll retweet you, tweet you back, show all that community online love and stuff. Also know that after the bike ride today, we're here till 4 o'clock with some awesome performances. So please stick around, hang out, enjoy the ride. But the first thing I want to do is please join me in welcoming the Boy Scouts of troop number 737 from Walnut and Diamond Bar as they perform their flag ceremony. Give it up for the Boy Scouts.
Color guards, attention! Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the presentation of the colors. Troop, attention! Color guards, advance! Color guards, halt! Color guards, prepare to present the colors. Color guards, present the colors. Troop, salute! Ladies and gentlemen, please remove all headgear. Those in uniform, please hand salute. Those not in uniform, please place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for our national anthem.
Please welcome Miss Larissa Lamb, who will sing the national anthem. Originally from Diamond Bar, California, Larissa Lamb is an accomplished singer, composer, and TV radio host who has toured the US and Asia. She has recorded 4 solo albums, including the upcoming pop EDM R&B album, Love and Discovery. She has written music for TV, film, and video game projects such as The Oprah Winfrey Show, Days of Our Lives, the E! Channel, TLC, and more. Larissa.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Thank you. Have a great ride.
Give it up again for Larissa. You tried doing that at 8 o'clock in the morning. Warm up your voices. All right, that was beautiful.
Color guards, prepare to retire the colors. Color guards, retire the colors. Ready, 2. Color guards, dismissed.
Forward, march.